Hi friends, let us understand what is a multi-state cooperative society and what are the types of cooperative society under the Multi-State Cooperative Act, and what is the procedure to get it registration, and which section deal with the registration part and the application for registration part. Basically, there are different types of cooperative society, and the Multi-State Cooperative Society Act, it's a 2002. So, cooperative can be a credit cooperative, or cooperative can be a agro cooperative, or cooperative can be a housing cooperative society, or it can be educational cooperative society, or it can be a consumer cooperative society, or it can be a fisheries cooperative society, or it can be educational cooperative society, and so many. So under Multi-State Cooperative Society Act, there are different types of cooperative society with its different objectives. So if any person want to register any cooperative society under the Multi-State Cooperative Act, then it requires minimum 2 states. So section 6 of the Multi-State Act 2002 that deal with the application for registration. Section 6 of the Multi-State Cooperative Society Act that deal with the application for registration means, so what will be the document required, how many the members are required there, how the application will be submitted, how many copies need to file at the time of application for registration. So it requires a minimum 2 states and minimum at least of 50 members from each of the state. So if minimum there will be 2 states, so one state will be minimum 50 members, and from second state will be also the 50 members at least. So it's a minimum, it's not a maximum, so can have more than that. At least you need to provide from each state the 50 members, and as per the documents required, their ID and address proof is required. Apart from this, to form the governing body, there will be at least 2 lady members and 1 SC or ST members. If any person want to apply under the Multi-State Cooperative Society Act, first need to decide on which state, which minimum 2 state they want to work on that. And second, which types of cooperative society they want. Definitely what will be their purpose, like whether they want to register the multi-state agro cooperative society or housing cooperative society, or what things, it totally depending upon the user, so which type of cooperative society they want to form. Section 7 of Multi-State Cooperative Act 2002. Section 7 of subsection 1 that deal with that, the central registrar can issue the registration certificate if it is satisfied that under clause A, the bylaws and the proposed multi-state complies with all the rules and regulations of the act and provisions. Second, clause B, under clause B, the proposed the bylaws, so bylaws provide the, सो क्लॉज बी, जो क्लॉज बी हमें बताता है कि क्लॉज ए तो था कि इसके रूल रेगुलेशन जो है वो उसी हिसाब प्रोविजंस के अकॉर्डिंगली है। दूसरे हैं इसके जो बाइलॉज हैं, जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, वो इसके मेंबर्स को सर्व करता है फॉर मोर देन 1 स्टेट। एंड इट्स जो क्लॉज सी है कि इसके जो बाइलॉज हैं ये प्रोवाइड करता है फॉर सोशल and economic betterment of its members. जो क्लॉज डी है, जो हमारे जो क्लॉज डी है, इसके जो बाइलॉज है, that's not contrary to the provisions of the Multi-State Cooperative Act and its provisions and sections. So under that, central registrar may issue the registration certificate to the applicant. Subsection 2 of Section 7 of the Cooperative Act 2002, when any application is filed and submitted to the central registrar has to decide and dispose the applications within a period of 4 months. So within a period of 4 months, have to dispose of all the applications from the date of the receipt of the applications for registration. Subsection 3. If the central registrar is not satisfied, then the central registrar shall communicate the refusal order along with the reasons to the applicant. Provided that no refusal order can be issued before the applicant has been given a reasonable period of time to being heard. So reasonable period of time for being heard, it is a mandatory before issue of any rejection letter. However, provided that if the central registrar is unable to communicate or communicate the refusal order along with the reasons to the applicant, or fails to dispose the application within a period of 4 months, then in that case it shall be deemed to have been registered, and the central registrar shall issue the registration certificate under provisions in section of Cooperatives Multi-State Cooperative Society Act 2002. So basically, if anyone want to form the cooperative society, first need to decide which type of cooperative society they want, and number two, which state they want to include. Suppose if any person is from other state, then he has to decide his own state as well as any other state. They can find the members, because they have to provide at least 50 members of that particular state. To get more information related to the Multi-State Cooperative Society, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.